everybody, and welcome to this video. We're gonna be talking about Mailchimp Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your Mailchimp account. So let me show you how to set it up. In your sub account, you go at the app marketplace. You search for the app. You go at install. Allow and install. There's an API key required in order to get the installation going. So in order to get it, we just have to switch to our account. Let's do it right now. Inside Mailchimp, we go at the profile icon, profile, extra, API keys, create a key. We come down here at create a key. So we type a key name, let's say my key. We go on generate key and we have our API key here. Copy, we make sure it's copied, we switch back, we paste, we continue, we select the plan, and we confirm. I'm not going to confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go on complete installation and you have uninstalled, which means that the tool is already connected to your Mailchimp account and you guys are now able to execute actions directly from your workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.